In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out your WhatsApp account on a device. So if you want to just sign out of your WhatsApp account from a particular device, all you need to do is to go ahead and remove your account. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to do exactly that. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get started, go to your WhatsApp and then click on this more options icon here and click on settings. Now from settings, head to account and then head to remove account. So this will help you to log out, and you're told that if you remove this account, then the following will happen. You're told the account will be removed only from this device, and two, your WhatsApp groups and channels will not be affected, and finally you will lose any messages or other data that aren't backed up. So you may want to go ahead and back up your chats first before you can proceed and remove from this device. So to remove from this device, go ahead and tap on remove, and now you can go ahead and log into a different device or use your account on other devices that you wish. So that's how you can remove your account or sign out on WhatsApp or from a particular device. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.